Welcome to Land House. Over the past couple years, I've had the opportunity to work with Sansi with their amazing lighting options here, such as the BR30 and the A21. They've been really great. Today I've got something totally different. This is the Sansi Outdoor Waterproof LED Floodlight. So let's get a close look at this and I'll show you its features. This is the Sansi LED Outdoor Waterproof Floodlight. And at first glance, I think it's strange that that is waterproof because it's got all this around here, but it is. Definitely nice to have all of that heat dissipation there. So the cord, let's check out the length here and see what we got. Looks like it's approximately 5 foot long, which is nice. That's going to be the one thing that you have to watch out for as far as not being waterproof, is you have to make sure that that is kept nice and dry. So on the unit itself, it has these knobs that can be spun here, and that will allow you to mount the light at different positions. So on the bottom, it has these 3 holes where you can pick how you want it to be mounted. And so if you wanted this to be on a sidewall, you could, like that, and point it out. You could point it down. If you want to hang it from the ceiling, you could. It says it's waterproof 100%, so I'm guessing that even where the cord goes in, you're not going to have any issues with that. But so that's how you would mount this light, and then you lock it down whenever you have it in the position you want. So if you turn to the bottom here, the information it gives, it's the model C2020. It is a 50-watt power rating, and it accepts input voltage of 90 to 264, which is pretty awesome. This housing is brown, and it's got a 5700K output. So let's go ahead and plug this up and see how bright it is. If you're going to be using this as a work light, there is no on-off switch. So to power on the unit, you have to plug it up here. As you can see, that thing is bright. My camera is adjusting for that, but it is super bright. So like I said, there's no on-off switch, which means if you want to turn it off, you have to just unplug it. So if you do want this to have a switch, let's say you're going to use this on the side of your house or on a shop or building, then you're going to have to wire in your own switch to the quarter outlet here. But definitely is bright, and I can feel the heat coming off of there just from this little bit being on. So you're probably wondering, how bright is this thing? Let me turn off the light here in the shop and I'll show you that, and then we'll go outside so you can see as well. It's nighttime and I have all the lights off in my shop except for the floodlight here. And here's the output that it is giving. It's definitely a nice bright light for doing some nighttime work. So let's step outside and I'll show you that light real quick. Definitely nice and bright. I think that if this was on the side of a house at night, you could certainly see to walk around or get to your vehicle. And if it's going to be used, let's say a lawnmower shed, then it would definitely be bright enough to move around. Like I said before, I've used several of the Sansi light bulbs, and this seems to have the same quality that those have. It's constructed well, and I'm going to be using this in another video in the future outside on my building here, and so you'll be seeing this again shortly. And I'm probably going to be wiring up an on-off switch so that I don't have to unplug it every time. But if this is going to be used as a portable job site light, you are probably going to be fine with just plugging it in every time you want to use it. So stay tuned to that video sometime in the future. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to purchase this Sansi product, I have a link in the description down below. I'll see you next time. Bye.